This is a short video to demonstrate how to access the online candidate site submission form. The online form enables site proposers to produce and submit a map, obtain constraints information, view guidance notes, and upload supporting documentation. To open the form, click the blue icon to the left of the screen. This will open the map screen. First, select the View Full Screen Map. Then navigate to the site by using the Address tool and use the Select tool to move around the map if needed. When you are ready to draw the site, select the Draw tool and polygon and double-click in the map where to start drawing. Click each corner or bend of your polygon. When finished, double-click. Make note of the site area provided on screen. To edit or delete your polygon, use the Select tool and click in the polygon. Edit your existing entry or delete and redraw your site. When finished, double-click. Select Return to Form to continue with your form submission. Thank you.